Hello everyone. In today's project, we will be learning how to create a simple design using Turtle. First step is to pick the Import Turtle block from the Import section. After that, we will be picking blocks from the Turtle section. The first block that we will be picking will be the Turtle block. This block is used to define the turtle. Now we add in the Turtle forward blocks from the Turtle section. The Turtle forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. We will add in 7 forward blocks. Now we toggle the second, fourth, and sixth forward blocks to right. Perform a final check, and if correct, run the code and observe the output. The desired pattern starts forming slowly. Similarly, using Turtle we can create more shapes, designs, and patterns.